Imagine waking up one morning and seeing this headline. Tesla, $25,000 EV leak confirms production design for 2026. Sounds crazy, right? Well, what if I told you that the biggest electric car leak of the year may have just happened? And what if the information inside this leak completely changes everything we thought we knew about Tesla, the so-called Model 2, the car that Elon Musk once hinted would revolutionize the auto industry? Today, MotorVerseHub, get ready, because what you're about to hear is one of the most important EV updates of 2025 so far. And trust me, by the end of this video, you're going to look at the EV world in a whole new way. Let us start with the biggest shock in this leak. According to internal sources familiar with Tesla's next-generation platform, Tesla is allegedly finalizing a compact EV that is smaller than the Model 3, built on the new unboxed manufacturing process, and designed to be the company's first true mass-market EV. For years, Tesla fans were calling it the Model 2, but internally, rumors say Tesla may never use that name publicly. However, the big news is that this mystery compact Tesla is reportedly targeting a starting price of around $25,000 to $27,000, depending on the battery configuration. This matches Elon Musk's statements from past Tesla events, where he confirmed Tesla is working on a more affordable EV. And now, for the first time in years, we have new leak details that finally match those claims. The leak suggests that Tesla's new gigafactories, especially in Texas and Mexico, are being optimized to build this next-gen compact EV using the revolutionary unboxed manufacturing method. If you haven't heard of that term yet, here is what it means. Instead of building a car from the inside out, like traditional automakers do, Tesla plans to build separate sections of the vehicle individually and then assemble them all at once near the end of the process. This massively reduces factory time, reduces cost, and could allow Tesla to produce EVs faster than any other automaker in the world. And according to the leaked reports, the 2026 Model 2 will be the very first Tesla ever built using this process from day one. But wait, it gets even bigger. Because the next part of the leak mentions something that could change the pricing of EVs forever. Suppliers who reportedly received early prototype specifications say Tesla may be developing a smaller version of the 4680 battery, or a cost-optimized variant that allows Tesla to cut battery costs significantly. Some analysts believe Tesla might even return to lithium iron phosphate, LFP, batteries for the base model. Why does that matter? Because LFP batteries are cheaper, more durable, and perfect for mass-market cars. They don't have the same long-range performance as long-range nickel-based batteries, but for city driving and everyday use, they're ideal. And here is the kicker. Tesla already uses LFP batteries in its Model 3 and Model Y standard range models in many markets. So this isn't speculation. This is a strategy Tesla already uses, which makes it extremely likely they'll use LFP for the new Model 2 as well. Now here's where things get wild. The leaked documents hint that the base model of this new Tesla may target a real-world range of around 240 to 300 miles depending on configuration. That would immediately make it one of the most competitive affordable EVs in the world. One of the most exciting parts of the leak involves the design. Several insiders claim the final design is more futuristic and more minimalistic than the Model 3. Some early drawings shared with suppliers show a hatchback-style body, compact dimensions similar to a Volkswagen Golf, and a front fascia that resembles the refreshed Model 3 Highland. Multiple sources say the design is inspired by the Tesla robo-taxi prototype, especially the simplified interior. Now before you panic, no, the leaked documents do not say the car will be fully autonomous only. Tesla is reportedly preparing both. A version with steering wheel and pedals, and potentially a future variant optimized for robo-taxi use. So the Model 2 is expected to be a normal, everyday car, but with Tesla's next-gen design language. The part that shocked me the most in this leak is the mention of Tesla's next-generation autopilot hardware, likely HW4 or beyond. Suppliers claim this car will include a simplified sensor suite, possibly fewer cameras than the current Tesla models, depending on Tesla's progress on end-to-end AI. For months, Tesla has been talking about using AI to handle more driving tasks without needing extra hardware. If true, the Model 2 could be the first Tesla that relies almost entirely on Tesla's advanced vision-based system, with a more powerful neural net on board. This means self-driving features could be cheaper, more accessible, and faster. Another detail mentioned in the report is the interior. People familiar with early prototypes say the interior looks even more stripped down than the new Model 3. Think, a single center screen, no instrument cluster, minimal buttons, and a clean modern cabin. Tesla wants this car to be easy to build, inexpensive to assemble, and extremely durable. This new interior design will reportedly cut production complexity by up to 30%. That's a huge number, and if true, it could be one of the main reasons Tesla can finally release a $25,000 EV profitably. But here's where things get even more interesting. The leak claims that Tesla is planning to manufacture this car in extremely high volumes. The Mexico Gigafactory, for example, has been reported to have a next-gen production line specifically designed for the affordable Tesla platform. Early construction slowed down, but multiple analysts now believe that Tesla is quietly preparing advanced production equipment for the next-gen compact EV. The goal? To produce up to 1 million units per year once production fully ramps up. If Tesla actually achieves that, the Model 2 could become the best-selling EV in the world. There is another part of this leak you will want to hear: the expected release timeline. Most analysts believe that full production may begin in mid to late 2026, but early prototypes and design reveals may happen much sooner, possibly sometime in 2025 or early 2026. And here is something many people missed. During recent shareholder discussions, Tesla confirmed they're working on 2 new vehicle platforms. One of them is a high-volume mass-market EV. When you connect these clues, it all starts to line up. Now let's talk performance, because Tesla never releases a slow car, even the cheap ones. The leaked data suggests a single-motor rear-wheel drive base model and a dual-motor all-wheel drive performance model. If that's true, the performance version could hit 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, maybe even 5 seconds. Tesla knows that speed is part of their brand identity, even on the affordable side. Combine that with ultra efficiency from a new platform, and this car could become a category killer. But here is something nobody expected. The leak suggests that Tesla may introduce brand new charging technology on this platform. Reports mention improved thermal management, better charging curves, and possibly next-generation supercharging support. Some rumors even suggest the car will fully integrate Tesla's upcoming V4 superchargers, capable of extremely fast charging speeds, matching or beating competitors like Hyundai and BYD. You're probably wondering, what about the weight? Compact EVs usually struggle with battery weight. But according to early estimates, Tesla's new unboxed manufacturing and structural battery design may allow Tesla to keep the weight extremely low, maybe even under 3,500 pounds. That's lighter than most EVs today and would give the Model 2 incredible efficiency. Now, what does this mean for the EV market? If Tesla actually hits the $25,000, $27,000 price point, every automaker in the world will be forced to respond. Ford is already working on a $25,000 EV platform. GM is bringing back the affordable Bolt. Hyundai and Kia are pushing new low-cost EVs. But none of them has Tesla's charging network, battery efficiency, software, or brand dominance. If Tesla releases a compact EV at this price, it might be game over for several OEMs in the budget segment. Let's look at what people are saying online. Analysts believe that Tesla needs this car to maintain growth. Investors are expecting this next-gen platform to bring Tesla back into high-volume territory. And the leaked details match exactly what Elon Musk said in the past, that Tesla's future depends on high-volume affordable EVs. So, is the 2026 Tesla Model 2, or whatever name Tesla chooses, real? Yes, all evidence strongly points to Tesla actively developing this vehicle. Is the leaked information confirmed? Not officially, but the details match known patterns, known technology, and Tesla's own statements. So the chances that this leak is real are extremely high. At the end of the day, Tesla is preparing to launch the world's first truly affordable long-range EV. And if this car delivers everything the leaks suggest, the entire automotive industry is about to face a shockwave. If you're excited for the 2026 Tesla Compact EV and want more updates like this, make sure you're subscribed to MotorVerseHub, because we cover every major EV leak, reveal, and breaking news story before anyone else. And trust me, what's coming next in the EV world is going to change everything.